Welcome to Frank Bruno Law. I am Frank Bruno. I'm an elder law and probate attorney in New York. Today I'm going to introduce you to a wild fact pattern. Before I get to that, if you would like to speak with me, if you have any issues or concerns in the field of elder law, please reach out to me. You can go to my website, frankbrunolaw.com. You can book an appointment, free telephone call. So today, a colleague of mine, an attorney that handles issues dealing with probate, had a fact pattern, and he wanted to get a second opinion, run it by me, ask me my opinion. He was asked to probate a will, and the person has 3 children. One of the 3 children has been missing for 50 years. So the issue is, how would the surrogate's court address that missing child? As part of the probate process, probate is the act where you take the will and you bring it to, in New York, it's called the surrogate's court. Other states may call it probate court. But you bring the will to surrogate's court, and then you have to file a petition, you have to submit affidavits, you have an affidavit is a sworn statement, such as an heirship affidavit, or an affidavit of due diligence, or an affidavit, a number of things that, along with the petition. Now, all 3 of the children, they're an heir, they're potentially beneficiaries. That child has to be reached out to. Now, what happened 50 years ago? Well, the wild part is that this person was, a missing persons report was placed for this person, and there was no resulting, no resolution. So now, come all the way to the present moment, and in probating the will, my opinion, and we had a conversation about this, is that the court may in fact appoint what's called a guardian ad litem. That's a person that would represent the interest of that missing heir. So if you have a situation like that, and some portion of the advice that I gave was to get ahead of this issue, get a private investigator, do a social security, a date of birth search, a name search, to try and find this missing person or find out information about the missing person. So if you have an issue that you'd like to discuss with me, free of charge, please send me an email, frank@frankbrunolaw.com.